Hi friends, I am Lakshman. In this video we are going to see the model portfolio of module 15 preschool education. We have uploaded 14 model portfolios in our channel. If anybody has not completed any of these portfolios, I will give the model portfolios video links and portfolio submission links in description. If anybody not completed any of these portfolio, you can complete it. And if you are watching our channel first time, if you are not subscribed channel still now, please subscribe and click on bell icon and select all. Then you will get the notifications directly on your mobile. And do like, share and comment. Now let us move to our portfolio activity. Let us see what the portfolio activity is given. Portfolio activity, by observing this portfolio activity, you have to prepare the learning activities for the preschool children in the following pattern. That is, you have to write the concept or topic, subject, subtopic if any, grade, preschool 1, preschool 2, preschool 3, objectives, prerequisite knowledge or skills, learning material and preparations, key ideas or content coverage, prior knowledge, earning, early learning outcome. Okay, now let us move to our model portfolio. This is the portfolio what I wrote. So let us see how I wrote this portfolio, what I wrote this portfolio. Let us see briefly. Okay, module 15 preschool education portfolio activity, name of the teacher, name of the school. You can write some more basic details of the teacher. Concept, identify the letters and numbers. Grade, preschool 3. Pre-knowledge, knowledge of the objects of the same form in his family and the surroundings. Learning materials, flashcards, Khanjari, chalk piece. Early learning outcomes, identifying Telugu alphabets, identifying English alphabets, identifying digit forms. Learning activities, activity 1, run game process. This is a picture. By observing this picture, we can know the process of playing game. See here 3 circles, and also we wrote English alphabets in 1 circle, Telugu alphabets and numbers, and left side flashcards, right side you have to write the letters or letters, alphabets, numbers, what the flashcards have. Okay, let us see briefly the process here. Already I given the process, I wrote the process here. Run game process. First one, draw 3 circles in opposite rows as shown in the picture. Each subject in a row should have 5 flashcards related to Telugu, mathematics, English. All the cards for the same subject should be placed in a circle. In the circles in the second row, write the letters on the flashcards opposite them. Have 3 children stand, each student near each circle in front of the circles in a row with flashcards. Teachers start with the help of the Khanjari, and the students have to take each card in front of them and place it on the circle opposite to them, like the letter on the flashcard in his hand. In this way, 5 cards have to be brought from that row into this row. When the children are running, the rest of the children and the teacher should cheer with applause, pronouncing their names as they run. After the 5 cards are completed, the 3 children should be identified. 3 children should be identified as first, second and third, and the flashcard should be read in that order. Continue the game until the children have 3 subjects, changing the subjects again. This is the first activity. Activity 2, all came, game process. This is the picture. See here, in each group you have to write Telugu alphabets, English alphabets and numbers. See here, and the teacher also holding flashcards. By observing this picture, we can know the process of playing game. Okay, so let us see the process. Divide the children into 3 groups as shown in the picture and sit them next to the tables opposite their group. Table should be drawn with the chalk on the floor. Write the letters or numbers of the selected items or all of them together in the respective fields. The teacher should keep flashcards for all the topics in the 3 groups. If the teacher puts all the cards together and says, "Come on," then the children should say, "Everything will come." This is how he should put out a single card from his nearby flashcards and show it to the child and pronounce the item on the card. Whichever groups the subject shown by the teacher is near, they should wrap 0 with chalk by one person in the group around that item. Play all the cards one by one in this way. Make everyone in the group partners. All the items on the table should come before any group, and all the group members should stand up and jump up and down, clapping. All came here. They have to say like that. Then continue the game until the group is also finished. Okay, that is the process of the group activity 2. Activity 3, reading top game process. This is the picture of this activity. Let's see, 4 tops are given, and also we wrote the Telugu alphabet, English alphabets, and mathematics digits also we have to write here. By observing this picture, we can know the process of playing game. Draw 4 pictures on the floor in the shape as shown in the picture. Divide the top half of each of the top into small groups. The selected item should be written in the same way on all the tops in the divided upper squares. The squares below should be large enough to allow the students to jump. Students should stand in the empty space under the squares of tops. Students should jump into the empty square under the subject if the teacher utters any item in the tops. This way 4 students should jump. The teacher can change the subject and say it more often. If a student has stumbled 3 times, the new student should be given a chance to get into the top. This is how students should play, by changing topics. The rest of the students have to sit around for observation. This is the model portfolio for the module 15 preschool education. Thank you.